Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to TCL for HardReset. First of all, open Play Store on both and install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then select I agree and I acknowledge at the top of both smartphones. Then tap on Confirm. Continue and Allow. Following that, in this pop-up about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. To close it, hit OK. Then tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of TCL. Now you need to tap on one of those options to decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience. Then click on Close this window and go back to Motorola to use all of those categories available at the top. From them, select all of your files that you wish to send. And in some of those categories, click on Allow a couple of times. Now hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. And click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Finally, you need to pick one of those connection ways. If you wish to scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on TCL. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, tap on Input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then select Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!